So in this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Skedula with your Google Classroom account. I am going to show you how you can transfer your assignments from Google Classroom to Skedula. And then I'm going to show you how you can update your grades in Skedula from your grades in Google Classroom from an already uploaded and already transferred assignment. So what you're looking at right now is the home page or the home screen of Skedula. You'll notice your classes are up at the top. You'll see that there's a grade book, attendance, and all the assignments. You'll see on the left side, you have a menu with home, student, assignments, learning materials, grade, attendance, reports, setting, account, and portals. What you're going to do is make sure that you're logged into your schools.nyc.gov account, your username that you are accessing Skedula with. I am going down to account, and then I'm going into user settings. When you're in here, you'll see all the information filled out about yourself in Skedula. And you'll notice at the bottom, after you see the IO Classroom account details, that there is a section for Google account settings. This is going to make sure that your account is connected to Google Classroom. So make sure that it is your is73.org Google account that's linked to this classroom. What you can do is click link new account if it's not already there, and then sign in through Google, and it'll come back, and again you'll double check that you have your is73.org Google account. You can always reauthorize if something's not working, as long as it's already linked. So if you don't have anything here, make sure that you link that new account. The next thing I am going to show you is how to import and transfer your class assignments from Google Classroom to Pupil Path and Skedula. So you're going to go to the top, you're going to go to one of your classes. I'm going to go to the grade book. Your roster and your assignments should pop up. You should make sure that you're in the correct marking period. Look at your Google Classroom logo. You're going to click on that. A prompt is going to pop up. You're going to follow all these steps in order to import the assignment and transfer your assignment from Google Classroom. So you're going to go to select the course. You're going to pick the class that the assignment's going to go to. Then you're going to click the assignment, select whichever assignment that you're working with or that you're going to be transferring into Skedula. I'm going to change the marking period to be the correct marking period. I'm going to go to step 4 and make sure that it's lined up with the correct grading for that marking period. So it would be a classwork, homework, the specific assignment. And then I'm going to press continue. It'll bring you to another prompt where it goes over the assignment title, the description, the viewable date, the due date, all this information and the amount of points it's worth. This information is pulled from Google Classroom. So whatever you set that up in Google Classroom, it will automatically transfer over. Once you do that and you check that everything's correct, you're going to say import assignment. We're just going to wait until it's pulling the information and it will upload the assignment. If you already have grades, the grades will show up. So now I'm going to show you how you can transfer the grades from Google Classroom into an assignment you've already transferred. So this assignment has already been transferred. It has no grades right now, but I know I entered them in Google Classroom. So I'm going to click on anywhere, it could be any person, doesn't matter. Click on the column of the assignment, and then I'm going to press this green button that kind of looks like a refresh button. It's next to the alarm clock and the calendar. So I'm going to click this green button. It will show that it's retrieving any of your data from Google Classroom. And then you'll see all of my scores that I've submitted will pop up and be included in this assignment that has already been transferred. And that's it. I hope this helped you.